You guys, look at the curl pattern on this hair. Like, isn't that pretty? I totally believe in investing in your hair. You wear it every day, right? So you I mean, just can we get into it? Like, this hair is amazing. It is from Laidt.com. That is L-A-I-D-T down.com. The link will be down below in the description box. So my hair is laid, okay? I absolutely love this hair. I love this hair company. I received my bundles from them a couple weeks ago, and when I tell you the packaging on this hair was impeccable, I have never ever received any hair that smelled this good. Like, the hair smelled amazing out the package. I have a full unboxing video. I'll link that down below for you guys to check out so you can see how this hair actually comes. But super impressed from the packaging, from the speed of getting the hair, everything, and the actual hair itself, beautiful. So what I have in right now is 4 bundles and a frontal, so that's why it's like super duper full. So this is a 22, 24, 26, 28 inch bundles and a 20-inch lace frontal, 13 by 4 inch lace frontal. So it goes ear to ear, and it goes all the way back here. It's where the frontal ends. So I mean, you got a lot of space in the frontal, and literally this hair feels amazing. I love this texture. It's 4A, it's Indian hair. I love the curl pattern of it. It looks very natural. Now I will say this, obviously 4 bundles and a frontal is going to give you like a really big look like this. Normally I wouldn't use this many bundles with a frontal, but I just wanted to see how it would look, and I think it looks really good. Like, if you want like drama, get 4 bundles, but if you want something a little less va-va-voom, you definitely can get away with doing less bundles. Their bundles are very thick. You get a lot of hair for your money, and everything. But I love the way this hair looks. I'm actually on my way to my bridal shower, wedding shower, and we're getting married tomorrow. So I wanted something that was gonna look really cute, but like different than what I'm wearing tomorrow and different than what I'm wearing for the ceremony in Thailand. So I love this look. I love just how voluminous the hair looks. I love how soft the hair looks. Like, you guys, look at the curl pattern on this hair. Like, isn't that pretty? So pretty. And like, literally I didn't put any product in this hair besides just I put one thing. I put like a dime size amount of the silk infusion, and that's it to the hair. I didn't put any mousse. Like, normally with hair, the curly hair like this, I'll put some mousse on it, but I wanted you guys to see like just how it looks without any mousse, without anything on it. Just the serum, like it says, like a dime size amount of serum for like all of this hair, which I normally do that with all of my wigs. When I wash them, I put a little serum in them. I let them air dry. Another thing that I really like about this hair, let me tell you, is that you see how this hair is curly from the root? Some companies, their hair, their frontals, it'll be like straight and then curl, and that just looks not natural to me. Like, if I want curly, like, I want it to look all curly, you know what I mean? Like, no one's gonna think it's coming out my head, but it could be, you know what I mean? Like, no one's hair is straight at the root and then curly at the end, unless they doing a perm or something, but you know what I mean? So I love the fact that it just looks, consistent, it looks cohesive, you know? Really like that. So yeah, I love this hair. I think it's a great value for the money. I totally believe in investing in your hair. You wear it every day, right? So you want to have hair that looks really good, looks really natural. It's going to be manageable. It's going to be where you're able to have it a long time. Also, another thing that I love about this, it doesn't take, like, it's curly hair, right? So curly hair is not gonna, you know, it's not gonna be like, oh, you just run your fingers through it, like, and you don't feel any friction, obviously, but like there's no tangling. Like back here, like you see this, you guys? Like there's no tangling in my hair. No tangling at all. I don't want to play with it too much. I don't want to make it too big. But yes, I absolutely I love it. I love the fact that it doesn't get tangled up like that. You know, you use a little bit of water, a little bit of what I do, they have care instructions to come with the hair. You want to wash it once a week. They give you all the details on how to take care of it. What I personally love to do is like a little bit of water with conditioner, like a little bit of conditioner. You don't need to put like a lot of product on your hair, and I haven't even done that yet to this hair, but that's normally what I do with my curly hair, is that I just put a little bit of conditioner in it, some water, and that's it. That's the beautiful part of curly hair. And when the hair is good quality, it's not gonna like tangle up on you and like get all matted at the nape and all that type of stuff. Like this hair is just, it's really good hair. It's just really soft. It's perfect. Like it's the type of hair you'll be able to have a long time. And when you're spending this kind of money, you don't want to like buy cheap hair, because that's exactly what you're gonna get, is cheap hair. Like I recently bought some hair off of Amazon. It was trash. It was so bad. And it's like, for the, you know, it's worth it to invest in your hair, because you'll be able to have it a long time. I have wigs that I've had for 6-7 years, because I have, you know, a wig that's made out of high quality hair. So definitely make the investment in your hair. Like you're going to definitely appreciate it and be able to wear it for years and years to come, right? Also, the other thing about this hair, just so you guys can see again, like this is 28 inches in the back, right? And that comes down to like the middle of my butt. Hopefully you guys can back up a little bit. You guys can see it comes all the way down here. So this hair is long. So if you're looking for something that's gonna be like super long, like they're 28 inches, definitely super long. The frontal is 20 inches and it's curly hair, you know what I mean? But even the frontal, this is a part of the frontal, it comes down to here, you know? So just to give you guys kind of a reference of like, you know, so you guys can kind of decide what length you want. But absolutely beautiful hair. It's super soft, smells amazing. I love the fact that I don't have to be walking around smelling like some type of, you know, spoiled fish, like some of the hair that you get. Most of the hair has to smell. I don't care what nobody say. Most of the hair that comes from a lot of companies, it smells like fish. It smells like rotten fish, and nobody wants to smell like that. Like literally all of my hair I wash before I wear it. This hair, it smells so good. I was like, okay, this hair like smells really clean, it smells really good, you know. So definitely I would highly recommend checking them out. Their website is laiddown.com. also follow them on Instagram, laiddownhair. Again, the links and everything will be down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I need to head to my wedding shower. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.